Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, I got something super exciting. Yes, we are in a new location. This is my boyfriend's mom's house and I stayed over the weekend, but I still needed to film and get stuff done because I've just been so busy and I haven't had time to film and I'm so sorry. But like, do you guys see what's in my eyes? Do you see how beautiful and green and iridescent? This is what I'm going to be reviewing today, which is the Heather Austin palette. Obviously, I already tried it on. I'm gonna show you guys some swatches, some beautiful shimmers, how I created this look. I know this is a little old, but I had to get it in the restock because when I first got it, I got it because of Ali Dawson's video and she made me fall in love with it because of this freaking green. Like, have you seen anything like that? Do you see how it shifts from yellow to green to gold? Like, that's what I have on my eyes. I'm just gonna add a little more right here, a little more right here, make sure it's even. It's such a beautiful shift. I created this beautiful look obviously because I'm matching the green. I'm so excited. We're gonna go see some dinosaurs. I'm actually filming a vlog as well, so tune into that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what this palette is. If you guys do like review videos, makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, and vlogs, which I'm back into the vlogs, please consider subscribing. My name is Sally. Thank you guys so much for coming, being here, clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. Please like the video. It really does help out my channel so much so YouTube can recommend similar videos to everyone else in this YouTube community. And yeah, ring that little notification bell to get me notified of all my future uploads. And with that, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is the Heather Austin palette by Adept Cosmetics. I believe Heather Austin is a YouTuber here. If I'm not, I'm so sorry, but I believe she is like one of the OG or more higher subscribed YouTuber. When I saw this palette, I was like, holy crap. Do you see how pretty those purples are? You got like all your warm tones, the oranges, and they shift into different colors and different lights, as you can see, as they get darker, and then they shift lighter, and then that blue, and then you got like this icy, it's called So Excited, it's like an icy pale purple, and then you got more purples, and then you got your greens, which is more cool tone. OMG, let me swatch these. So this is video chat. This is video chat right there. Look at that. Oh, it like shifts into like a dark brown to a bright orange. This is Passport. Passport's a little more chunky, on the chunky side. I don't know if you can see, it's a little coming off. That one's Passport. It's like dark purple to blue. It's so beautiful. So excited. That's So Excited. It's like a pale purple. I like it. It's more like gray tones. This one's a little more deep purple, like a plummy purple. This one is 0603. Hold on, let me swatch these. I'm running out of hands. Video chat. Ooh, that's beautiful. So there's the four: video chat, Passport, So Excited, and 063. Oh, beautiful. Like, these are intense and blinding, and they are so creamy and soft, especially when you blend them out. Like, let's try to blend this one out. Look at how much pigment it creates, the opacity. Like, it is just so beautiful. You just need a little bit and it makes it so soft and creamy on the eyes. Let me show you my favorite, which is the green. It's called Smith. It's just, well, I already showed it, but it's just like so freaking beautiful how it shifts the green to the orange. Oh, it's so beautiful. This one is Austin. This is super icy with some blue in it. If I dig deep, I don't know if you could tell, but if you dig deep into it, it's more blue. Look at that one. That one's beautiful. This is Hey Y'all. Hey Y'all. And then Scrubs. Ooh, Scrubs is pretty. It's like, this one's Hey Y'all. This one's Scrubs. Scrubs is like a deep blue to a purple. Ooh. Let's see these. I think I like the bottom row a little bit better. I think the top row is a little more chunky. These are definitely a little more opaque, a little more blinding. They shift to different colors, as you can tell. They are freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That purple, that's next. That's gonna be my next color. I really want to do like TikTok videos with this because I'm so inspired with this palette. I haven't been inspired in a long time palettes, and I'm so inspired by this. The mattes, I'm not gonna swatch them. The mattes are just beautiful. They blend in the eyes. If I touch the mattes, I'm afraid they're gonna get hard panned. Shimmers, not so much when you touch them. They usually don't go hard. They usually stay creamy. But if you do swatch mattes, you just have to be careful on the formula because sometimes the oil on your fingers, or like since I've been wiping with my makeup wipes, that can change the formula. But with shimmers, you don't have to worry so much about it, but it's so beautiful. Okay, so let's start the eye look. At first, I started swatching all of these because I was so amazed. So let's just look into some of these swatches. Then what I did is I went into Atlas and I just had a nice dense packing brush, but it was a little bit still fluffy, and I just put it all over the crease until I got a nice blend out. Once I did that, I grabbed into Magnolia, which is the dark forest green, to really deepen up the crease because I wanted just some intensity in the eyes just to make it really pretty. I grabbed the same big huge fluffy brush that I did, and then I went into Mythology, which is a mustard green, because I wanted the green and the dark green, well, the mustard yellow, sorry. I wanted the mustard yellow and the dark green to blend to make it look more limey, because I am wearing a lime shirt, so I wanted to look more lime colored. I grabbed Smith, which is that iridescent yellow green color, and I put it all over the lid, and I just blended it out as much as I could. I did want a little pop of shimmer, so I grabbed Austin because I believe that was more blue tone. I didn't want something purple because I was originally going to grab Passport, but that's more purple, so I grabbed Austin, which was that icy blue green metallic color. But when you do blend it out into my inner corners, it does have some pink tones into it, which I really like. I think it looks really pretty. With my lower lash line, I mixed Magnolia and Mythology together to give that green, limey green pop of color, and then I just added some lashes, put on some mascara, finished my makeup, and this is how it came out. I know this is gonna be like a short video. Honestly, really great palette. Really great palette. These metallics are beautiful. I don't really go so much for indie brands. I love influencer brands like Laura Lee, Manny MUA. I love their palettes. I feel like they have really good formulas. This is one of the best formulas that I've ever tried in my life. This compares to Glamlight, and I think these shimmers are better than Glamlight palette. They're just so dreamy and creamy and beautiful. If you guys do get a chance to pick it up, it is a beautiful palette. It's compact. It has a couple neutrals, so you can do neutral looks with this if you want to, and then you can go more adventurous at the nighttime. I believe you can do cool tones, warm tones. It's just like a variety of a palette, and I think it's really good, and I think everyone would enjoy this. Like, honestly, it's so stunning. Let me zoom you into the eyes. This is the finished look. It's so cute. Okay, yeah, thank you guys so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. If you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me if you guys do like that video. Click that little notification bell so you guys can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys.